Pasting required text into terminal emulator results in 200 required text tilde. I have noticed that when pasting into a terminal emulator, both on macOS, using terminal.app or aterm2.app, or in Linux, using urxvt, sometimes I get extra characters. The characters are always the same. Before the pasted text I get 200, with the highlighted, and after the pasted text an extra if I cancel and paste again then it is pasted correctly. For example, here I tried to paste git clone https://git.camu.org/git/camu.git, copied from their webpage into aterm2 with v. I cancelled with ctrlc and, without recopying, pasted again with v and it was okay. This is certainly not always but several times a day, and I've not managed to narrow down what causes it and can't reliably recreate it. The text can come from anywhere: website, text document, copied from the terminal itself. Position of cursor when I copy doesn't seem to make a difference. I don't think I'm copying the cursor. Position of mouse doesn't seem to make a difference. What are these 200 characters and how do I get rid of them? Surely they must stand for something specific as they are always the same and appear on both macOS and Linux.
These characters are used for bracketed paste mode. Some terminal-based programs enable this mode so that they could distinguish pasted text from directly typed text. For example, text editors temporarily disable auto-indent for pasted text, and CLI shells might allow you to review/confirm the pasted commands before running them, even if they end with a new line. In ZSH, all pasted commands get a reverse highlight and aren't immediately run until you press enter. The brackets follow the usual format of special key escape sequences, escape, and LT, num and GT, the same as with page up/page down keys, or the F4, F12 function keys. So from your shell's or editor's point of view they're also treated as key bindings. For example, running bindkey should show the binding, 200 bracketed paste. For more information, search for bracketed paste in the Still 1 manual. As with all other escape sequences, if you have, accidentally, pressed Ctrl+V immediately before pasting, or before pressing a special key, it will cause ZSH to treat the following sequence as literal input. For example, Ctrl+V up will not scroll through your history, it will literally insert the escape A sequence instead. To avoid this, you can unbind the Ctrl+V key through ZSH's bindkey, where it is shown as VVI quoted insert by default. Also, like most other terminal emulation modes, the bracketed paste mode is enabled by sending an escape sequence to the terminal emulator app, so if the program using it dies unexpectedly, it might not have any chance to disable the mode. If this happens, running print \E 2004 liters will deactivate the mode for now. Your terminal emulator is completely unaware of programs starting and exiting, even more so if the app was running remotely over SSH, so there's no way for it to disable the mode automatically when a program dies. The same problem occurs if, for example, the program had mouse reporting mode enabled.
There is an additional way that this problem can manifest. Redlines ~/.input file can contain the following. This is not fixed by any of the above methods and has eluded me for months. Removing this line or setting will fix this nicely. Consult the man page for Redline for more information on this parameter and the ~.input file, since you can change the file's location with the input environment variable.
This seems to work for me, though it doesn't make sense. In my Ubuntu Mate terminal I go Edit and GT, keyboard shortcuts go to Paste, the keys are already mapped to Shift plus Control plus V. I select and re-enter by pressing exact same buttons, and click close dash. Now the squiggles don't appear anymore when pasting. Macron _ _2 _ macron.
To stop this on Ubuntu 22.04, I added this line to ~inputter \cv. For me, my clipboard manager, Dioden, would always send a Ctrl plus V to the terminal, after which I would use the Ctrl plus Shift plus V, which would result in the extra characters.
If you want to support them, please